That's good. Just got a little. Okay, let's see. I know.
Excited.
Hey, buddy. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Right now, you want snacks instead of being cracked.